I'm Nicole from bakingbites.com, and today I want to share with you my favorite one-bowl brownie recipe. This recipe is very easy and turns out perfectly fudgy brownies every time. Let me show you how to make it. To start, melt 1/2 cup butter and 2 ounces of dark chocolate together in a microwave-safe bowl. Next, stir in 1 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Once they have been stirred in, whisk in 2 large eggs, adding them one at a time and making sure they are fully incorporated. Next, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, stir in 2/3 cup all-purpose flour. Mix just until no streaks of flour can be seen in your batter. Now you can stir in chopped nuts or chocolate chips. I'm using 1/2 cup of chopped toasted pecans. Fold them in and you're ready to put the batter in your pan. Use an 8" by 8" square baking pan. I recommend lining it with lightly greased aluminum foil because it makes the brownies very easy to get out of the pan. Pour your batter in and spread it evenly. Bake brownies in a preheated 350-degree oven for 35 minutes. A toothpick inserted into the brownies should come out with a few moist crumbs, not wet batter. Okay, this is a batch of brownies that I made earlier. You can see that the foil makes it really easy to get the brownies out of the pan. So that's all there is to it. You can't go wrong with this fudgy brownie recipe, and it's so easy that you'll find yourself making brownies from scratch a lot more than boxed brownie mix. You can get the full recipe at bakingbites.com and be sure to check back for lots of other great recipes.